In the land of dancing colours and giggling clouds lived Rory, a tiny rainbow as soft as whispers. Unlike his booming brothers, Rory craved adventure, a chance to paint the sky bold and brave like theirs. One playful breeze tickled him. Adventure awaits, little rainbow. Let's paint the meadows emerald and butterflies sunshine yellow. Feeling braver than usual, Rory followed. Sunlight danced with his gentle touch, turning sunflowers golden, butterflies tangerine, and ladybugs crimson. His laughter echoed as his colours tickled fluffy sheep and splashed across babbling brooks. But the playful breeze turned into a mischievous wind, whispering, "Come climb the mountains, little rainbow. Paint the snow diamonds and icicles sapphire." Hesitantly, Rory followed, painting snow white. Yet, the higher he climbed, the colder it grew, his colours fading with each gust. Shivering, he whimpered, "I can't go on. I want home." The wind, surprised by his tears, felt a pang of guilt. Softly, it said, "I'm sorry, little rainbow. Let's find your way back." Back in familiar cloudland, his brothers worried, but when they saw his soft, beautiful colours, they "Welcome back, little brother." One boomed, "Your colours are amazing even if they're quiet." Rory beamed, "I realised I don't need to be loud to matter. My tiny colours can still make the world beautiful." From that day on, Rory painted the world with his gentle touch, reminding everyone that even the smallest things shine. And whenever you see a soft, beautiful rainbow, remember Rory, the runaway rainbow who learned his quiet colours were just as special as any.